Hey, health practitioners, are you repeating yourself with every client and feeling stretched too thin? In this video, you'll learn how to leverage group coaching to save time, build community, and deepen patient trust without sacrificing personalization. Stick around because I'll also share the exact group format we use to get patients engaged and excited to come back every time. I'm Dr. Zac Watkins, and over the years, I've helped providers just like you implement efficient systems that free up their schedule and increase patient impact without burnout.
All right, so the last thing I want to mention and talk through is group coaching programs. And I say this because I think the biggest reason is you want to leverage your time. And if you're saying the same things over and over again, a lot of times I can just waste your time, if you will, and it keeps you from seeing other patients and other clients. So there's good ways to build out a system where you can work with people more as a group setting to therefore get across the same information. So here's an example. You can hold, let's say if you do food sensitivity profile testing, and there's a lot of information there, but it's unique to each person. But overall, the concept is the same. It's not really going to change a ton. So you can always experiment. And I've told other providers to do this as well, but again, same experience is we would hold live events before COVID, again, with one of my nutritionists, and they talk through the importance of food sensitivities and what it does to your body, if there's inflammation and leaky gut and things like that. And people wanted to know more about that information. They gain value, but then we would talk through their labs individually. We hand them out and we discuss them together as a group.
Hey, real quick, if you're listening to this and thinking, I need some help building out something like this in my own practice, well, just scroll down and click the first link in the description. You can book a free strategy call with myself or my team, and we're going to take a look at what you are doing now, where you're stuck, and show you exactly how to build a customized care plan that works for both your patients and your business. All right, back to the video.
We've done this over Zoom, and it's easily done over Zoom, like Zoom groups, come in together, learn more about the education component of the why behind what we do. At the same time, though, it's very tailored to what they're seeing in front of them based off their specific labs. So another example was kind of touched on earlier when it comes to, let's say, detox programs or weight loss programs. Anytime you can build stuff with groups, it leverages your time so you can get more done quicker. And the other best thing is you're building like this community aspect. And that's going to be probably the biggest thing that you can see is the value of building a community. Now, whether this is online, whether this is in person or whatever it may be, I think if you get the group of people you're seeing together somehow, it doesn't have to be everybody in the world, but you could hold like little small groups. You could hold live events if you have brick and mortar, or you can do it locally, like at a coffee shop. Basically, just get other like-minded people together, maybe Facebook group, maybe a community kind of like this. I always encourage that because, again, going back to the whole concept of we're living in a low trust economy where anymore you can find anything you want on the internet and everybody's selling something. So for consumers, if I can say that, to trust you, it's going to be a lot harder. So the goal is to build trust, to show value, to be like, I'm the one that can help support you in this group. So that's why group coaching is so good, because you can bring it together like-minded people. They can feed off each other. When they start having successes, they can start sharing their success with others, and everybody starts learning more and more, and they grow together. So I want to touch base on that quickly. Think about how you can offer more group settings in your programs. Maybe you have individualized health programs, but maybe once a month you hold like a live group event where everybody can jump on. They can ask more detailed questions with you. Therefore, they get more value, but also you're kind of leveraging your time. You're giving more value. They're gaining more trust of you, and just keep growing from there. So think about how you can add more group coaching or group education programs to your offerings.
Hey, before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video. If you like this one, you're definitely going to like the next video. So click here on the screen, keep going, and I'll see you over there.